These are 3 of Bitsy and Abel's miniature Australian Labradoodles. So the puppy on the right here was light blue. Little bitty red guy is navy blue boy, and apricot dog in the center with the bread bone now is the apricot ribbon girl. And you can see she's kind of in charge. Let's see what is interesting. Not that so much. I like the ball. Oh, it's a retriever! A sideways retriever. Woo. That ball go. There we go. Ah, where'd it go? Can't have the fly swatter. You want to get the ball? You did? It's over there. Yep, it's over there. Hi, hi. Well, you have a lot of voice. Hi there. Okay. And the little girl has voice. How about the little boy?
Still recording?
Look at this. What's this? Whee! All right. Very interesting big green spider. Big green spider? Did you get it? Huh? I don't know. You doing? There's plenty of legs on the spider. I know. Well, what shall we do? I don't know. What do you think? No. Yes. You like it? Spider Whiteo. Oh, there we go. Did you get the ball, girlfriend? The princess got the ball. Uh-oh. What? Hi there. How are you doing? That good, huh? All right. Well, this is good to know. I don't know. What you got? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball? I know. Look. Yellow dog. Yellow dog. Whoa, where'd he go? Uh-oh, who's gonna get him? Yellow dog. There goes the ball. Look at the balls. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Who got it? Who's got it? Who's got it? Who's the winner? Oh, nobody. It's sitting over there. Yellow dog. Oh my gosh, she's popular. Yellow dog is popular. Here we go. Okay. Alrighty, guys. So again, we have the larger light blue red apricot boy flipping on the floor there. Oh, there. We can jump and spin. The little red guy is the navy blue boy. And the puppy in the middle there, size-wise, is the lighter apricot, red apricot ribbon girl.